Guys, hello my friends. Ole ihe ndị nri ụlọ na-adị mma. Nri ụlọ na-adị gị mma nwanne m bịa ka isi ofe. Today I'm going to show you, first of all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Dinma channel. Okay? Today I'm going to show you how to cook oha soup. Ofe ọra, otu esi eteme ya, sima ya esima. Okay? Alright. Today we are cooking oha soup, alright? I will show you my ingredients. Let's go, let's begin. Here I have my steamed beef meat, okay? My steamed beef meat. Normally I steam the meat, not my meat. The red meat, okay? Here I have shaki. I have shaki meat. I have shaki here. Always remember to boil shaki. Cook it like 5 minutes or 6 minutes. Throw away the first water because you don't know where they washed it or what chemical they used to wash the shaki. Okay. Now I have this. I have this sauce here. It derives from oboroko, from the stockfish. This sauce here derives from stockfish. Okay. All right. Okay, so I have ede, cocoyam, we call it ede in Igbo language. Blended cocoyam. I blended mine with my blender here because I don't have mortar and pestle. Some other people, they pound their own, but I blended mine because I don't have any. Okay, here I have ozoza seed. Ozoza seed, fresh one. I prefer fresh one because the scent is more high than the dry one. I have here crayfish salt cube, not cubes. Okay. Here I have red oil, palm kernel oil, red oil. Okay. Here I have stockfish, oporoko. I have stockfish here for the cooking. I have dry fish, well washed. Okay. Dry fish, well washed. All right. I have pepper here, but I'm not going to put pepper direct to the soup because not everybody in the house eats pepper, okay? It's your choice. If you like, you put it while cooking, all right? Then I have the oha. This is these leaves that makes the oha soup. I will tell you how to preserve this oha. I got this oha from home, from Nigeria. You can see it's melting, okay? All right, let's proceed. Okay, I will start from adding the oil. I'll add the oil. Try for a long time. I'll add the oil. All right. I add my the cocoyam. Going to add the cocoyam. Well blended cocoyam. Oliver the cook when they can know your blah. I'm not very region, no. Hey. Now, so when did you figure out Dinma, okay? All right. Add and stir so it don't stick on the pot, okay? Add and stir. Normally, the cocoyam is already cooked. So your the soup is not going to take long because the cocoyam is already done. Alright? I'll add everything at a go. Most things, not all anyway. I'll add the crayfish, salt, and the nut cubes. Okay? Add and stir. Because due to the old stockfish, needs more time. It's already cooked anyway. I have already cooked it, but I'm going to add it. Then add the stockfish. Add and stir. Okay. Add and stir. Now I'm going to add my dry fish. I want to remove the bones because even my little baby, she's gonna eat the soup. Okay. Remove all this thing. ị na-amụ ọkpọ tigodo akpa aja iticha akpa aja iwe chebazie m ị ga-etigbunu iwe chewa onye ị ga-etigbu. Okay, I add the dry fish, well washed. Okay. Then I add the shaki meat, half done, half. Okay. Because all these things they are already half done, the soup won't take much time. All right, add and stir. Okay. So I'm going to cover the soup like 30 minutes, just 30 minutes. So for the ingredients and the meat, fish to run together, the stockfish. Okay. See you in the next 30 minutes. For 30 minutes, I'll be back. Okay. Oh yeah. After 30 minutes, then I'll add the red beef meat. I'll add the beef meat. Okay. I add the beef. Yes, so I just added the red beef meat. Then after I will stir, taste. Mamma mia. Mamma mia, this is squisito. Now I'm going to add the ogiri. Okay? Chief executive. Okay. On the soup, okay? And cook properly. I'm going to cover again for another 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes. Let's give it 10 minutes. Alright? Then after that we are going to add this oha. Remember, I will still tell you how to preserve the oha, okay? Okay, after 10 minutes you add I'm going to add the oha. You know the oha is already melted. You see, it's melted. So I'm going to add the oha. This oha, you know, as I told you how to preserve this oha. After removing the oha from the branches, you wash it thoroughly, wash it properly, you know, to avoid dust and sand, you know. Then you put in a nylon bag and add water to the level of the oha. And the oha, you always tie oha, the portion it the way you use it, and so it don't defroze and frozen again, okay? So this is the oha. Now I'm going to squeeze out the water. It's melted already. I'm going to squeeze out the water. Just be careful, because if it goes in with ice, it might make your soup watery. Be careful, because there's water inside. The ice is water. So if it goes into your soup, if your soup is not thick enough, then it will make your soup watery. Okay, now I'm squeezing out the water. Don't mind the color. When it goes into the soup, it's going to look more fresher than it is now. Okay, now I'm adding the oha. Squeeze out the water properly. Okay, then add. After adding the oha, don't stir immediately. Just cover it like 5 minutes. Where is my cover? Cover like 5 minutes. Then you come back again. Alright? Woo. Okay. After 5 minutes, you then stir the oha soup. You see? Oh my days. Oh my world. This is delicious. This is yummy. You see, the oha is not that dark as it was in the nylon bag. It looks fresher in the pot. Okay. Now you taste the soup. Woo! Wow, this is delicious. nke a bụ oke akụpụ ọchịcha azọfụ. Okay, adorumba ka nke uko. Yes, so nke a bụ ofu ụlọ ericha abịa nwa. Okay, now I'm going to boil hot water for semolina. Can you see the soup? Can you see the soup? The ofe in Africa. Wow, this is delicious. This is delicious. Delicious. Okay? Wow. So I'm going to boil hot water for semolina. I'm going to now. Okay? Alright. This is my family's favorite soup. Okay? Remember not to turn your hand immediately you add the it will turn black. So don't turn it immediately. Give it minutes. Then you come back and turn. Alright? So guys, if you like my cooking, subscribe, share, and like. People the bell, the notification bell. So whenever I upload my video, you can be able to make it to watch it. Alright? Semolina. Okay? I'm no farmer. Bien mat, okay? Kesaya, umi bo ka fofo otu esi ofe ọha, okay? Otu esi nke m. Mana mama isi otu a si ofe a. Bu na cook it, okay? See you guys on my next video. See you, okay? Take care. Bye bye.